I love to keep my kitchen utensils out on my counter, but I hate the way that they look on the counter beside the stove with the mismatched silicone and stainless steel and what have you. So I was super excited to receive these wooden teak utensil set. It's a 12-piece set from the brand, so thank you so much to the brand for gifting these to me. I will forever be able to keep these out beside my stove because they look absolutely beautiful. They just add to the overall appeal of the kitchen. I love a touch of wood in a nice white kitchen, so these will look fabulous. So I'm just going to show you what comes with this 12-piece set. First of all, it comes with the spoon resting dish that goes by the stove, which I love that. So nice. It's beautiful looking. Comes with this straining spoon, just a regular spatula, pancake flipper, what have you, a nice thin narrow spatula, your slotted spatula, your salad fork, regular, just a small sort of soup spoonish or sauce spoon, then a bit of a larger spoon that can go with your salad fork. Then you've got your rounded spoon. This one's great for your rice cookers, something like that. And you have your spaghetti spoon, which is great. It's got these little separators here for pulling spaghetti out of a pot. So your pasta spoon, love that. Your soup ladle, which is beautiful. And then another larger spatula. So love all of that about this. You have got to get this. Thank you again to the brand for gifting it to me. These are going to look beautiful in my container on my kitchen counter. So thanks so much.